Buongiorno e buonasera, welcome to Lingua YouTube channel or welcome back to Lingua YouTube channel. This is our lezione 14. Oggi andiamo a parlare delle frasi. Introduzione. So, introduction is a kind of a self-introduction, but it's not a self-introduction because today we are going to speak about something like my name is this and I'm 15 years old. What are you doing? Not something like uh, about like myself, which major I have done, something like that. So today we are going to speak about some basic thing and obviously the pronuncia. So le frasi: mi chiamo Mario, my name is Mario. Mi chiamo stand for my name. Ho 15 anni, I am 15 years old. In Italy, in contrast to the English language, we use o, which means it's a verbo avere or verb have. So if we translate word by word, this sentence means I have 15 years old. But in Italy, we use ho 15 anni in this way. Like I have 15 years old. Anni stand for years. So if someone say ho 15 anni, it means years old. So how old are you? I'm 15 years old. Ho 15 anni. Vengo da America o Inghilterra. Vengo means come. So am from America or England. So mi chiamo Mario, ho 15 anni e vengo da America. This is another way to say hi, my name is Mario. It's like ciao, mi chiamo Mario. Or you can say salve, mi chiamo Mario. Or you can say buongiorno, mi chiamo Mario. For example, if you are going to the meeting, you can say buongiorno, good morning, mi chiamo Mario. My name is Mario. Come stai? This means how are you? Come stands for how. Stai means like it's kind of how are you. So yeah, we use come stai together to say how are you. Io sto bene. I am fine. Tu come stai? How about you? Here I notice one thing and it's correct, but here as you can see we I don't use like you because you means tu, but like this stai stand for you, so tu stai is the same thing. So instead of using like tu, we could say come stai. It's the same thing but it's not wrong. Tu come stai or come stai, it's the same thing. So you can use whatever how whatever you want, or tu come stai or come stai. Ti stai divertendo? Are you having a good time? Are you having a fun? Ti stai divertendo? So, ciao, mi chiamo Mario. Come stai? Io sto bene. Tu come stai? Ti stai divertendo? Next. Cosa fai in Italia? What are you doing in Italy? Fai means you do. Fai, you do. So, cosa fai in Italia? What are you doing in Italy? Cosa ti porta qui? What brings you here? Porta means brings. Cosa means what. So, cosa ti porta qui? Qui means here. Io studio in Italia. I study in Italy. Studio means study. I study. So, studio means I study. It's the same thing here. Io studio, I study. You can say studio without io, and it's the same means. Io studio. Tu studi, egli studia, noi studiamo, voi studiate, essi studiano. So, conjugations. Io studio in Italia. I study in Italy. Io sto lavorando in Italia. I am working in Italy. So, cosa fai in Italia? Cosa ti porta qui? Io studio in Italia. Io sto lavorando in Italia. Next. Cosa stai facendo? What are you doing? So, stai facendo. It's a simple continuous. Stai facendo, which means are you doing? Cosa stai facendo? What are you doing? Io nulla. It's not nothing. Nulla di che. Nothing. It's kind of io nulla. I am doing nothing. Nulla di che. Nothing. So you can say like whichever you want. It's the same thing. Mi sto annoiando. I am bored. Ho impegni. I am busy. So this is all the sentence I have for today, and these are really important because if you go to some places, these sentences are very useful. So that's why I wanted you to learn this sentence before we gonna speak about grammar, because before we speak about the grammar, people needs to know to say like at least what is my name, how old I am, oh, from where I come from. So these are really basic things. So even you have to go to like to the Italian school, you need to know these things. So if your teacher asks these things, you need to understand and give an answer. So today we learned mi chiamo Mario, ho 15 anni, vengo da America o Inghilterra. Ciao, mi chiamo Mario, it's the same thing but with adding salve, buongiorno or something like this. Or you can say come stai? How are you? Io sto bene, I am fine. Or you can say io sto male, I am bad, not very good. Io sto male, io sto bene. It's up to you. Tu come stai? How about you? Ti stai divertendo? Are you having a good time? Cosa fai in Italia? What are you doing in Italy? Cosa ti porta qui? What brings you here? Io studio in Italia. I study in Italy. Io sto lavorando in Italia. I am working in Italy. Cosa stai facendo? What are you doing? Io nulla. Nulla di che? Mi sto annoiando. Ho impegni. So that's all I have for today, guys. And I guess these things are really important for you. So take some times to learn, and I don't say to memorize them, but it's really important to study this sentence because it's the fundamental things in every language, not just in Italian. So study this sentence and see you in the next video lessons. And thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel or to the Instagram account, go and subscribe and follow us on Instagram, where I post some new words every day. And if you have some issues to understanding, or like if you feel confused about something, you can obviously send me an email or DM me on Instagram. And if you want to like if you feel like you want to learn Italian language very fast, you can buy our course. And yeah, before you buy it, DM me please, so I can give you some instruction for that. So in this course you will have to like you you will have to like face-to-face conversation with me, where you will learn really important thing, and you can also improve your speaking knowledge with me. And yeah, that's all, and see you in the next lesson. Buonasera or buongiorno, wherever you in the world. Arrivederci.